Made by Kids. Today we're going to be making St. Patrick's Day cookie pops. So these are sugar cookies, which are in the shape of a four-leaf clover, and you basically just slide a popsicle stick when the cookie is still warm out of the oven into the sugar cookie, and then frost it, decorate it as you'd like, put a little wrapper on it, and then it's a fun little cookie pop for the kids on St. Patrick's Day. We're going to be using these at our St. Patrick's Day party coming up. It's just a fun, festive little treat for the kids. The full recipe and directions are on our site, madebykidsco.com. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more fun with kids coming up for St. Patrick's Day and Easter. A lot of fun stuff coming up. Thanks so much for watching.